everyone, here's an important notification from Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited. So let's see the details of the post, like name of the post, number of vacancies available and all. First of all, you can see here, and this is the last day to apply, which is April 28th. Okay, so this is the last date and the application starts from today, which is 13th April. So application will be active from 13th April to April 28th. So first of all, the minimum eligibility criteria to apply for this post is you will be shortlisted based on your GATE examination score, which is Graduate Aptitude Tested Engineering 2020, 2021, 2022 GATE scores are eligible to apply for these posts. Okay. So here are the disciplines. So these are the disciplines available here: mechanical, chemical, electrical, electronics, instrumentation, and civil. Totally 225 vacancies were available in this post. So for mechanical, you should have completed mechanical engineering or otherwise something related to mechanical. For chemical, you should have completed chemical. So for the respective discipline, you should have completed the respective degree. And here are the details, like vacancy details, like how they split up the vacancy, like for your category, you can see here. And these are the other details, like relaxation details, you can see here. This is the important dates, like we already said, April 13th is the application open date, which is today, and the last date is April 28th. You can apply from today till April 28th. So they have given you 15 days in between to pay and also to apply for this examination. You can see here the application fees is 500 rupees. So for female, if you are a women candidate or otherwise an ST category or otherwise PWD, ex-servicemen, so you guys are exempted from the payment of application fees, which means you don't have to pay for applying these for these posts. So here are the educational qualification, like you should have completed one engineering degree. You can see here for mechanical or otherwise production are eligible. For chemical, only chemical engineering will be eligible. For electrical and electronics and communication, electronics and telecommunication, you can see here. For instrumentation and control, instrumentation and electronics. For civil engineering will be allowed. And these are the important details. You can see here: age relaxation and pay limit, which is your maximum salary. So salary starts from 56,000. Okay, so if you are looking for an opportunity like this will be a great opportunity for many. So just go for it. In case of any doubts, any clarification, just comment. We will clarify you people. So just go for it without any delay. You can apply from now on. So if you can want to cross check anything, you can go to their official website. They give you the official website link at this PDF. We will provide you this PDF at the description of this video. You can download and go through it. So if you are looking for an internship opportunity or otherwise a training opportunity related to your degree like BSc, in case you are just studied 8th standard, 10th standard, we will give you the opportunity details for both from 8th standard till PhD, doctorate, anything. So this will be a great platform for you people. Do share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.